Ever notice how every marketing guru promises to revolutionize your brand presence with their game-changing strategies? Yeah, we're not doing that here. Instead, let's talk about how HubSpot actually helps you build a stronger brand without the empty promises. The truth is, brand building in 2025 feels a lot like trying to be heard at a rock concert. Everyone's shouting, but no one's really listening. HubSpot's suite of tools cuts through that noise, not with marketing magic, but with practical features that actually work. I'm going to show you how to leverage HubSpot for brand building without falling into the trap of corporate buzzword bingo or becoming another LinkedIn motivational influencer, because your audience deserves better than that, and so do you. HubSpot's content management system is surprisingly robust. While everyone else is busy creating thought leadership pieces about their morning routines, you can use HubSpot's SEO tools to figure out what your audience actually wants to read. The platform's content strategy tool helps identify topics that matter, not just what's trending on LinkedIn's motivation carousel. Yes, you need to be on social media. No, you don't need to post inspirational quotes every 2 hours. HubSpot's social media tools lets you schedule content across platforms while maintaining your brand voice. HubSpot's email tools help you create campaigns that don't scream, "I learned marketing from spam folders." The platform's personalization features mean you can segment your audience without making them feel like data points in your marketing machine. Plus, the analytics tell you when you're being too pushy, because nobody needs 3 emails about your webinar in one day. Creating landing pages in HubSpot is straightforward, and the A/B testing features helps you understand what works and what makes people leave faster than a bad first date. The drag and drop editor means you can build pages that look professional without needing a degree in web development. HubSpot's reporting tools cut through the noise. Instead of drowning in data, you get actionable insights about your brand's performance. Yes, you'll still need to explain to stakeholders why their favorite vanity metrics don't matter, but at least you'll have the numbers to back it up. The automation features in HubSpot help you scale your brand presence without losing the human touch. Set up workflows that make sense for your audience, not just because you can. Remember, just because you can automate something doesn't mean you should. I'm looking at you, LinkedIn auto messages. HubSpot's forms and lead capture tools help you gather information without feeling like you're interrogating potential customers. The lead scoring system helps you focus on promising prospects while keeping others warm without being creepy about it. The Service Hub helps maintain your brand reputation where it matters most, in customer interactions. You can track issues, manage feedback, and maintain a knowledge base that actually helps people instead of sending them in circles. One of HubSpot's strongest points is how well it plays with others. Connect your favorite tools and maintain brand consistency across platforms without having to become an IT expert or selling your soul to a single ecosystem. Building a strong brand through HubSpot requires strategy, patience, and occasional reality checks. The platform gives you the tools, but it won't do the hard work of defining your brand voice or creating meaningful content. That's still on you. Sorry, no AI can replace authentic brand building. Remember, the best brand building efforts are consistent, authentic, and occasionally willing to poke fun at themselves. Use HubSpot's tools to amplify your message, but don't let the platform dictate your brand's personality. After all, the world needs fewer thought leaders and more genuine voices. Start with the basics, measure what matters, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy when something isn't working. Happy HubSpotting!